Dear guys, welcome back to our channel and you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, I will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Locations and also. In terms of ratings and are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may interest many of the basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Room category 5.